Hi everyone, this is King Real Machinery. Today we are inspecting our full automatic open cell ceiling production line. So this is the decoiler. This is the leveler. It has 21 rollers. For leveling, it's precision type leveling so that you can very precisely level the material. It's very important for the next step, punching and cutting. So here we are using a hydraulic punching station for punching the holes on the open cells. So you can see there is a big hydraulic station here, and it's powering this punching station. It is for punching the holes on the open cell. Let's check. See the holes? This is for the punching for the holes. This is the NC precision servo feeder, and this is the cut to length. It's also powered by hydraulics. It is for, so we have cut to length, cut, go, cut. This is the conveyor. It's for conveying the strips to the next step, roll forming. So the final machine is the roll forming machine, where the open cells were to be formed, roll formed. So we can follow this procedure. You can see the gradually roll form, and the last step is to have finished open cell products. So this is a very high open cell. It is customized for another client, but we can basically make any sizes that you need. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you next time.